today we're going to try to do a little bit of surgery on the Alto. This is our one of our brake lights, and we noticed that many of the LEDs in this module have stopped working, which is not great. You want your brake lights to be working full on. I have acquired the official replacement from the Safari Condo website. It comes with the electrical connector. I'm hoping I can just reuse the one that's in there. I think the pinout is a bit non-standard, which is why they include it in case you've got a different type of connection in your trailer. I'm hoping that the wiring is actually fine. We'll find that out. I think the fact that only a few of the LEDs are actually still working, but some of them do work, means that the wiring is just fine. I also have the new seal. I'm hoping to reuse the existing seal. It's only a few years old, and I don't want to mess around with trying to get that in with butyl or anything like that. So if I can reuse this, I'm going to, and we're going to see how this goes. My first attempt is going to be using some automotive trim tools. Seems like maybe these trim tools are a little bit too soft, so we'll try flathead screwdriver. Okay, so there's that come out. I can see now that there's actually a little bit of water in here. Try to get a look at that. That could very much be the problem. So it looks like there's a little bit of sealant around the back of the light. I'm just going to put on some gloves, and there's a little clip at the back. I'm going to pop that out. I can see there's a bead of butyl, probably some kind of a butyl tape just around the back. So I'm going to clean that out, and we'll replace that as we go. So I've got the existing gasket cleaned. I used a little soapy water, cleaned it up. I picked away all of the old silicone seal. A little bead looked like that. It was on the back of the fixture. So what I'm going to do is run a little bit of silicone gasket sealer just around the inside here before I connect up the new light and put it in. Well, that's none too neat, but with any luck, I'll never have to see this again. Just pops in like that. Try to straighten it up a little bit. And that looks to be it. Now we just have to test it. And there we have it. All of the LEDs burning now.